How you guys doing? My name is Saint, and this is another video from, well, we're gonna change the narrative now. So instead of it being just Black Studio, the new name for the company is gonna be Les Gens Black Studio. We're going with a name change because I want to create a new narrative for the brand itself. So I want to change up the whole look of how everything's presented. So now that we're working on the new title, Les Gens Black Studio, this is gonna be the House of Les Gens, and kind of want to just express more of the high-end quality and production of the brand. So what we worked on from last week to now, I got a lot of more fabrics back. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start working on a few garments for this vending event that I have at the end of the month, as well as some clientele based projects that I still have in the works. So let's get on to that. And if you guys ever want anything from me, feel free to DM my personal IG or Les Gens Black Studios personal IG for sizing purposes and to get your stuff fitted. If you want anything specific, like let's say you guys have a design or you have like the pants that I want, the pants that I make that you guys want, feel free to hit me up in the DMs and I will communicate with you and get you organized and settled in. So let's start working on some stuff, and time for the new Les Gens Black Studio production. So off camera, what I did was that I ended up putting this whole bag together. I broke about 3 needles, so I decided to hand sew these straps onto the bag. And this is what the bag looks like, successfully created. So what I will be doing now is I'm going to make a pair of custom brown pants for a client. I already have the fabric cut out and serged up, so I'm just gonna end up sewing everything together. And you guys have already seen these pants before. It's the skeleton pants right there. I made a few for a lot of clients, so the process is pretty easy for me now. So I'm just gonna end up sewing it all together, and I'm not gonna explain as much. If you want to go see the construction for this pants, literally go back to a previous video that I made, probably the first or the second video that I first ever created, to see the creation process and the explanation. But I will just sew it all together and show you guys what it looks like. So let's get on to that. Hey y'all. So for the most part, I sewed up majority of all the small pieces like how I usually do. I have the flap completed. We also have some straps completed. I have both of the front pockets completed and both of the back pockets completed, as well as the waistband. Now what I gotta do, I need to pleat the back parts of the pants. I already sewed in the pleat for the back part, but now I gotta pleat the hem, the bottom of the pants. So I'm gonna be pleating these and the front as well, and then I'm gonna attach all the other little assortments to the pants, and then we're just gonna finish these up. Shouldn't take too long, so let's get to it.
I mean, what? People going crazy over this?
Here you go. Here's the pants fully completed now in this kind of like mocha-ish brown. It looks really cool. Honestly, might make myself a pair, so I might order some more fabric and just go ahead and make my own pair. But this is how the pants came out. I really like the look of it, and now that these are completed, just gotta go ship these out, and that's about it. Let's get to the next stuff. I'm not sure what else we're gonna be doing this week, but news is I'm changing the platform of the YouTube channel. So instead of me dropping on Mondays at 8 p.m. I will be dropping my videos now on Fridays at 8 p.m. I got a little bored doing Mondays, and it started messing up my rotation and flow. So what we're gonna be doing now is Friday 8 p.m.s every week. We're gonna be dropping new content, more stuff for you guys, and I'll continue to make some more products for this pop-up event. here's the thing I was just working on. I ended up tapering some of my pants from things that I've collected through thrift stores, and I didn't really like the fit of the pants. They were a little too baggy for me, so I ended up just tapering them. And these were the Realtree camo pants that you saw me end up sewing. I just took it in a little bit more so that they weren't as baggy and they're a little bit more tapered fitted. So that was what I ended up doing, sewing it from the inseam. I really like the fit of these now. I'm gonna probably end up wearing these a lot more. And when you do have pants that fit you really well, you're gonna end up just consciously throwing them on more casually. And for me, when it comes to style, I have a tendency to go towards things that have more better fit on me versus things that don't. So I just wanted to end up reworking some stuff in my closet. Since I am a designer, it makes no sense for me to have things that don't fit me. So that's the camo pants. So the second thing I ended up sewing was these True Religion pants that I ended up thrifting. I got 2 pairs of True Religion pants, and I ended up reworking both of them into making 1 pair of True Religion pants. And here is the pants themselves. The real work is in the back. As you see, I have some custom Kuma patchwork hearts on the back of them. They kind of come together, and the whole scheme was to turn it into like a lucky a 4-leaf clover. So I call these the lucky pants because True Religion, luck, all that jazz. And then these are supposed to be like the stem of the 4-leaf clover in denim, and it has like this natural fraying to it. What I ended up doing is I just pleated the inside seam so that it gives it more of like this ripple effect, and it gives the pants a little bit more of a fitted look. That's kind of what it was missing. I had these pants for about a year now. I just wanted to rework them a little bit so that they fit me better. I might end up selling them later on, but for now, I really like the way that they fit now, so I'm gonna probably end up wearing these a lot more. Besides that, I think I'm gonna cut the video here, guys. Like I said, we're changing up the platform, so I will be uploading videos now on Friday at 8 p.m. so you guys can go and check out the videos on Fridays instead of Mondays, changing up the platform. So this week, because you haven't seen me upload on Monday, that doesn't mean I'm not uploading. So I'm changing up the platform like I told you guys, and like I say every video, if you're not trying to be a designer, I hope that you find something that you're passionate about and you try to stay consistent with it. So yeah, besides that, you guys make sure you guys like the video, make sure you guys, you know, subscribe, check out the website if you guys want to shop around, look for some Liaison Black Studio merchandise, changing up the name as well. And besides that, you guys take care. I love you guys.